maybe we can play.
Is it okay if we pick the color we want?
Of course. Here, sit down. We can pick. We can pick pink. Would you like pink or the other one? That one? Okay. So we're gonna put these. You're gonna put it on your hand like this. Get it? Get the back of it. You open these little things if you need more space.
Actually, I want blue instead.
You want blue? Okay.
After, can I get pink?
Yeah, of course. Wait, on your palm, So right here, on this part of your hand. Right there. You close it. And then you're gonna use this to catch the ball. Okay? So I'm gonna throw the ball and you're gonna catch it. Catch it with the paddle. All right. Now you and your cousin, you guys can go over here and throw the ball at each other and catch it with the paddle.
Okay.
It works a little bit better if you go to it, okay? If the ball's coming, go to you, it'll stick better, okay? Try it. There you go, good job. One more time.
She's gonna fly back.
Nice.
Give it to me. Okay, so Daddy, and then her and me, that's what we're gonna play.
Oh.
So be like this.
Yeah.
That's holding me like this. Okay. Got it.
Oh.
And is that gonna catch it?
There, come here. Yeah, good catch.
Oh, good catch. Good catch.
Yeah, good catch. Go, Camila.
You want to switch places? Okay.
All right, good throw.
Oh, you okay?
Oh, good catch. Good catch. Good job. Lucia, you want to try it too? Okay. Whatever she said.
Ah, you gotta give your wire the ball.
Totally caught
Look at
it.
me.
Yeah, good catch.
Good catch.
Good catch.
Yes.
I win.
Yeah, you told me.
All right.